1. Window material. What are the windows made out of? We have options like vinyl, fiberglass, wood. These options can definitely impact your budget. Vinyl, fiberglass, and wood impact not only the cost of the windows, the budget of your overall project, but they can impact the durability of your windows. So this is an important decision, something not to take lightly. Number 2, window style. There are a number of different styles you want to think about when you're replacing your windows. If you have custom shapes in your house, like an octagon shaped opening, you have an arched window, those kind of things can have an impact on the cost. Not just the shape of the window, but the function of the window can also impact the cost. If you have a big window that does not open, sometimes that costs less than a small window with a casement style opening where you have a crank. These are factors to think about. Double hung windows, sliding windows, those cost less than casement windows, but they also cost more than just a picture window that doesn't operate. Number 3, energy efficiency. Energy efficiency options can definitely impact the cost and the budget. Double pane and triple pane are options when it comes to replacing your windows. Sometimes triple pane is going to have an impact on your energy efficiency. Honestly, most of the times we tell people it's a little bit more cost and less impact on the energy efficiency, but it can still be a good option in some instances. In line with energy efficiency, you want to be thinking about what kind of coatings are getting applied to the glass. These can increase the cost, but in the long run, decrease the cost of your window replacement project by helping you with your energy bills. Number 4, installation complexity. Installation complexity can definitely have an impact on the cost. If you have a really big window that's going to be very heavy, that's going to have an increased installation cost. If you've got that big window on a 3rd story where we can only access it with scaffolding on the inside, ladders on the outside, that's going to increase the cost. So those are things to think about as far as impacting your budget. The quality of the windows is number 5. If you're looking for a really high quality window, you're definitely going to want to increase your budget. Sometimes we get asked, hey, why are these Pella windows expensive compared to what I'm seeing at Home Depot? The windows that you see at a big box store like maybe Home Depot or Lowe's, those could be low quality windows, and that's why the cost of them is so low. You're not getting the energy efficiency, you're not getting durability of the frame. They may have recycled materials in them, which means that they're not going to be as durable. They're going to expand and contract a lot more. The windows are not going to be insulated as far as the glass. High quality windows, they cost money. Then again, Bellwether cares a lot about not just protecting your home, but protecting your budget. So we're going to find ways to do your windows at an affordable cost.